Hello and welcome to another unboxing. Today we're having a look at Warhammer Underworlds Gnarlwood and Rivals of the Nethermaze. Nethermaze? Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of these products, and we are going to have a look at them. Rivals of the Nethermaze. It is the two war bands that were in the previous box edition, the big box edition of Nethermaze. So it has the Skaven and the Daughters of Cain, the what are they called? The Shadewalkers. I can't remember what the faction's called. Shadeborn, that's it. That's right on the box. Boo. So anyway, yeah, I don't know if we need to really crack this one open. I'm going to assume it's just got the model frames and the card packs. You know what? Screw it. Let's do it. We're going to do it. We're going to do it live. Oh, it's got tape. It's taped. Grab my trusty rusty blade. Crack open a box. Oh, let's dive in. I'm excited. So, oops, tearing up the box now. Box getting all tore up. So it has a little plastic bin. Has the instructions for assembling these models. Now these models, if you're not familiar with Warhammer Underworlds, they are push fit kits. And yeah, they're pretty straightforward to put together. They're not terribly complex, as the game is, designed to be ease of entry, so to speak. And they cast the models in plastic in various colors. The Shadeborn are in this dark blue purple kind of color. Very, very cool. 4 models there. The Skaven get a nice brown color for frame. Very, 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 very cool. And yeah, these are the same ones that we saw in the Nethermaze box set. And of course, we also get the cards for both decks. And that is very, very interesting. Now, I'm wondering if there is any changes in these cards, as the Rival and Nemesis rule features in this new edition of Warhammer Underworlds plays a part in the game. And so I'm wondering if these decks were changed at all, or if these are simply the same decks that we get in Nethermaze for anybody who purchased that deck. But everybody who is playing catch-up and really enjoys the Shadeborn or the Skaven, well, now you have your opportunity without having to spend it on a big starter box like this thing. Let's have a look at the big box itself. Very, very cool. It's got some really good chunky weight to it, of course. It's because it's got the game board, it's got your tokens, it's got your counters, or your cards, and of course it's got all the models. It has the Sons of Velmorn and the Blackwing. What do they call these guys? What the heck are they? Oh, the Gnarlspirit Pack. That's what they're called. I can't remember all these names. Contents of the box are the Gnarlspirit Pack fighters, Sons of Velmorn fighters, 9 double-sided fighter cards, 32 Gnarlspirit Pack rival cards, 32 Sons of Velmorn Rivals deck, 32 card Tooth and Claw Rivals deck, 32 Daring Delvers Rivals deck. Man, these are tongue twisters for sure. 114 tokens, 56-page rulebook, 2 double-sided game boards, 11 Warhammer Underworlds Gnarlwood dice for being all gnarly. So let's dive in. I'm going to grab my trusty rusty blade. Gonna get into the cellophane here. Now, actually, I did sharpen this for anybody who's curious, but anyway, not the point. Let's dive in. Oh, yeah. Love that sound. Everybody who loves the sound of crinkling cellophane, there it is for you. There it is. All right, so let's dive in. It is a nice, sturdy cardboard box, and it's not taped, is it? No. I just can't I can't draw it out. The suction, the negative pressure, as it were. All right. We get the rule book. Nice big rule book. Holy camoly, there's lots here. This thing's dense. Man. So it gives you all the rules for everything. Lays it all out. Now, I believe that each of these box sets, they are a entry point into the game. So anytime you get a chance to pick up one of these big boxes, you're in for a treat, as it were. We have our double-sided game board wrapped in cellophane. Very, very cool. Our instruction booklet. It's a leaflet, really. It's 1 page. Again, these models are not terribly complex, so you know, it's really not that difficult getting these things together. Just knowing where parts end up together and all that jazz. Ooh. Oh, these are the undead duders. Okay. The undead duders are coming in on a beige plastic. Very, very cool. Little skeletons. I think that gets you right into it. We got the 11 dice. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. And we have our frame of the Gnarlspirit warriors. 4 of them. Nice big sprue. I really like them. I like the guy with the big, like, he almost looks like from Predator Prey kind of thing. He's got the big skull with the horns and everything. I like the dude. He's very cool looking. Yeah, these are really cool looking miniatures. Again, they're all push fit, so it's you know, pretty straightforward, slapping them together and everything like that. And of course, we get, holy moly, we get a whole whack ton of cards with this, because again, it is the Rivals deck and the Nemesis deck, or like, what is it called again? This, I can't remember what the heck it's called now. But yeah, you get the different decks in here, and of course, the various ways of playing the games. So you have all that available, and I think that's it, isn't it? Yeah, this is just a card tray. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. But yeah, that is it. That is the Gnarlwood expansion for Warhammer Underworlds. Definitely check it out. It's a lot of fun, and yeah, I definitely have to get some games in of this, as you know, it's just too much fun. It's too much fun. And I feel like I'm missing out on the fun. That's what it is. I feel like I'm missing out. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of these products. And a big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. If you're also watching this on YouTube, you also may have noticed there's a join button now. So again, for memberships, you can just click those and click whatever tier makes sense to you. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all of that helps the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who does that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or review. Useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Definitely in the shorts. Maybe a thoughts and reaction video. Maybe a battle report. Either way, I'll see you later.